Hello, good morning, students. Today we'll continue some problems in exercise number 6.2. Okay, so I am thinking that no one is responding. Okay, and some students are saying that no need of writing fair notes. So these enter are false. The teacher who has to give marks for you is me itself, and whenever school starts, all they'll rush in completing remaining chapters. So at the time you will feel very difficulty to write mass fair notes, because remaining notes is you will write a few pages, not even one notebook. So this 100% you have to write all the problems. Otherwise you can check previous notes. So you know how you will write remaining subjects and maths. So don't underestimate that one. Keep it in your mind. Last year who passed, they passed with internal marks itself. Maybe we are expecting same. So don't neglect it. I said that you have to submit November 2nd at least. So whether you will do submission or not, I don't want it. I won't care at all. So I won't care. But you have to write. Writing is very important. So if you miss, if anyone will check, then you won't get internal marks perfectly. So keep that in your mind. Whether you will submit the notes or you won't submit the notes, leave it off. Last year syllabus entire is completed, they did not write examination. But here, this year, 100% you will write the examination. Without examination, no one will give marks to you. 100% you have to write exam, annual exam, you have to write it. Okay, so keep that in your mind and try to complete your notes. So as you know, two notes you have to classwork, that is fair notes, and also do this book. And government gave some worksheets for you. So that worksheets level 2 you have to do it. So that if you do, it will be better for you to get internal marks perfectly. Otherwise, you are the responsible person. You can't blame anyone. Okay, now we will go to the session. Now in 6.2 they given some values here. A value given, A value, D value, N value, An value. So among these, any two given. Among these three they given, you have to find one. So one problem I'll do here. One problem with the points I'll take it here. A is 3.5, D is 0, N is 105. An he left the gap, means you have to find An. Okay, in first fifth question is this one. So A given, D given, N given, An you have to find it. So this is in AP itself. It is in AP. An means last term or nth term. Last term can be represented with small l and also can be represented with a suffix n. Okay, how I am writing seed ones. N should not, you should not write n like this. This means I'll show to you. So if you write an like this, a and n is wrong. So how I am writing is very important. A1 means you should not write like this. Okay. So an means a should be somewhat big and n should be somewhat small. Then it is called nth term. Okay. So L meaning is last term, An meaning is nth term. Last term, nth term are same. So the formula for this is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is formula to be used. You have to use this formula. Now same An I am writing here because you have to find the value of An. Then a is given. In place of a, what they given here? 3.5. So in place of a, I am writing 3.5. A after what you are seeing here, plus. So I wrote plus. I opened the brackets, n is there. In place of n you have 105. N after you are seeing minus symbol, I kept it. Minus after 1 is there. You have to close the brackets. Brackets itself intimates that it is into. After brackets you have d is 0 here. Now 3.5, okay. From 105, if you subtract 1, you are getting 104 into 0. So 0 into any number, its value will be 0 itself. So 0, so it is 3.5. It is 3.5. Means, see, can you imagine d is equals to 0. Common difference 0 means, see, I'll write one progression 2, comma 2, comma 2, comma 2, etc. So they will ask that whether it is in AP or not. So if you won't listen the classes, you'll miss this entire and you will lose your marks. Okay. 2 means A2 minus A1, do it. A2 means second term, A1 is first term. So you are getting 0. A3 minus A2, do it. Again 0. So common difference is same or not? Common difference is same and equal to 0. So it is in AP itself. So what nth term becomes means nth term also will be 2 only. Because of difference is 0, what first term will be there, all the terms will be also same. So like this one problem given for you. So next question, will go for next question, that is second. So he is asking to find 11th term of AP. He is asking to find 11th term of AP. That AP also given here, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, etc. See, fractions are there and minus symbols are there. Some students will 100% they won't success because they have some fear. It has to go means they have to do practice. Okay. Or some experienced teacher has to say for you. Otherwise you can't do. Now we'll go for 11th term. How to find 11th term? So first write the progression like this only. Then first term is represented with A1 or A. It is minus 3 only. Second term, it is minus 1 by 2. So common difference is denoted with a small d. Its formula is A2 minus A1. In place of A2, what you can write? Minus 1 by 2 you can write. This minus I am keeping here. A1 means again minus 3. So 2 times if you want to write minus, 1 time you have to keep in the brackets here. So minus 1 by 2, okay. Minus into minus 3 means plus 3. So one rational number, one natural number, if you want to add, you have to take LCM here. LCM for 2 and 1 is 2 only. Minus 1 plus 6 here. Minus 1 plus 6 means 5 by 2. So what is 5 by 2 means? The difference is 5 by 2. You got difference as 5 by 2. D value you got as 5 by 2. Then you have to find 11th term or not. So 11th term, if you want to find A11, formula is A plus 11 minus 1 into D. What is A? A means starting term. That is minus 3. A is minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into D is there here. D means you have 5 by 2. So I am writing 5 by 2 here. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. You can cancel here because into is there. Minus 3, okay. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 3 is 22. So what is 22? 11th term is 22. Okay. So like this you have to do remaining problems, and we'll go for third bit. Third bit is the given A2, 38 is given. A6, minus 22 is given. You have to find the values of A1, A3, A4, A5. Okay, now how we have to do, we'll see it. A2 means second term. So you have formula An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A2 means how you can write A plus 2 minus 1 into D, you can write it. A plus 2 minus 1 is how much here? 1 into D. A plus 1 into D is nothing but A plus D. Means you can write A2 as A plus D. How you can write A6 here? A6 same formula, A6 n in place of n, 6 you have to write it. A plus 6 minus 1 into D. A plus 6 minus 1 means 5 into D. So A6 means A plus 5D. Okay. Now what we have to do, we'll see it. Now A6, A2. So here A6 is A plus 5D is equals to A6 value how much is given here? Minus 22. Means A plus 5D is equals to minus 22. It is equation number 1. Then A2 is equals to how much is given? 38. A2 means how much we proved? We proved A plus D is equals to 38. It is equation number 2. So 1 and 2 equations you have to solve. Solve means you have to do subtraction. A plus 5D is equals to minus 22. A plus D is equals to 38. Subtraction you have to do it. Why you have to do subtraction? Subtraction if you do, the symbols will be changed and plus A minus A will be cancelled. From 5D you have to subtract 1D, that is 4D. Minus 22 minus 38. Both are having same symbol means I said to do addition by keeping the same symbol. Minus okay, and you are getting 60. So D is equals to minus 60 by 4 and you are getting 4 15s. So you got D is equals to minus 15. D is equals to got as minus 15. And what he is asking, he asked to find out the values of A1, A3, A4, A5. So A1 value you have to find it. So A plus D is equals to 38, you know it. Second term A2 is equal to 38 or not. So A we don't know, but D we know as minus 15 is equals to 38. Plus into minus is A minus 15 is equals to 38. 38 plus 15. 15, 23 is 53. So you got A is equal to 53. Means A means A1. A1 is equals to 53, you got it. Okay. Then you have to go for what? A3, A4, A5. A3, A4, A5. A3. A3 formula is A plus 2D. A means how much we got here? 53. D means minus 15. 53 minus 30. So you are getting 23. A3 is equals to 23. A4 if you want. A plus 3D. A means 53. D means minus 15. 53 minus 45. So it is 8. So A4 is equals to 8. A5. A plus 4D. 53 plus 4 into minus 15. 53 minus 60. It is minus 7. A5 you got as minus 7. So A6 you are getting minus 22. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A1, A2, A1, A3, A4, A5 values you found it already. So like this you have to find the problem. Maybe you will think it is very big, but if you practice 3 or 4 times it becomes very easy for you. Okay, you can pause and you can see the answers wherever necessary are there because it is offline. Now like that, in third whatever problems are there you can do it. Now some problems they will ask that which term of the AP is 78. See here. So first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13, next is 18, etc. Which term becomes 78? So if it is there like this, he is asking n value, means an you have to assume as 78. What is the formula for an? A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 78. By seeing the progression, you can find the value of a. A means in progression first term, that is 3. N value we don't know, but d we can find it. D value is a2 minus a1. D formula, a2 is 8, a1 is 3, 8 minus 3 is 5. So d is equals to 5. So wherever d is there, you can write 5 is equals to 78. Here simplifications, you can't take 5 now. First you have to take 3 to this side. This is n minus 1 into 5 as it is. Plus quantity, if it is going here, it becomes minus quantity, minus 3. From 78, if you subtract 3, you are getting 75. So n minus 1 into 5 as it is. So n minus 1, if you make as subject 75, and into quantity, multiplying quantity, if it is coming to here, divided. So if you divide, you are getting 15. 5 15 is 75. If you want n value, minus 1 you have to take to this side. 15 plus 1, n is equals to 16. So like this we can do the problems. So as you know that I can't teach each and every problem. Okay, maximum chapters I taught like that, but students and parents, they said that if you will say all the problems, then what they will do it, just they are pausing the videos and they are copying the notes. So it is wrong. So I am giving some homework for you. Okay, better luck. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.